What's up everybody, it's Connor from T-sportline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your camera calibration on your Tesla Cybertruck. We recently installed our CTX off-road bumper on our Cybertruck, which does involve removing the camera off of your front fascia and unplugging it from the car. Now, when you plug it back in, normally it should automatically recalibrate and reconnect itself to the car. However, if it does not, there's an easy way to do that within your infotainment system. If you go down to your little car icon here, you can go over to the service tab and scroll down and you will see a button called camera calibration. You're going to press that and then press clear calibration. That's going to go ahead and wipe the current calibration from all of your cameras and reset them over the next 20 to 25 miles of driving. However, all of your cameras should pretty much instantly come back to life. We can go to the camera preview tab here, give it a second to boot. And if we scroll all the way over to the fascia section, you can see we have our front camera. Now, if that doesn't fix your camera issue, you can go ahead and press and hold both of the scroll wheel buttons down until your camera turns dark. And it is going to take about 30 seconds to a minute for your infotainment screen to fully reboot. And with that, our infotainment system is rebooted. We can go back over to our service window and go to camera preview, give it a second to boot up, and scrolling all the way over to fascia, you can see our camera is all functional again. That's gonna wrap it up for our tutorial today. Camera reset on these Cybertrucks is a super easy deal. It takes about 5 minutes. If you like what you saw, give us a like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time.